Very warm welcome to all the students of class 9th. My name is Ujjwal and today I will be taking your polynomial exercise number 2D, and we will be starting our today's class from question number 16, which is saying that find the value of m for which 2x minus 1 is a factor of 8x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 16x square plus 10x plus m. There is a polynomial which is saying that 8x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 16x square plus 10x plus m. If it is having one factor 2x minus 1, then we have to find out the value of m. So the procedure will be same. First of all, we will consider that let 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means there is a factor of this polynomial. Therefore, our 2x will be equals to 1. Therefore, our x will be equals to 1 by 2. Now put the value of this x equals to 1 by 2 in the given polynomial, which is 8x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 16x square plus 10x plus m. यहाँ पे x की जगह पे we are going to put the value 1 by 2. 8 into 1 by 2 power 4 plus 4 into 1 by 2 power 3 minus 16 1 by 2 power 2 plus 10 into 1 by 2 plus m, and that will become 0 because this 1 by 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. This will become 8 into 1 upon 16 plus 4 into 1 upon 8 minus 16 into 1 upon 4 plus 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 plus m equals to 0. Now see here, 8 1s are 8 2s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 4s are. This will become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 1s are 4 plus 5 plus m equals to 0. See here, half plus half will become 1 minus 4 plus 5 plus m equals to 0. See, this 1 and this 5 are in positive form. They will be added 6, and this is minus 4 plus m equals to 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is 2 plus m equals to 0. Therefore our m is minus 2. So this is the value of m we are looking for. अगर यहाँ पे polynomial में m की जगह पे minus 2 रख दिया जाए, then this 2x minus 1 will become a factor of this polynomial. Now class 9th, coming on to the question number 21. By the time you have to do all this work in your class of copy जो बोर्ड पे करवाया जा रहा है, प्लस जो होमवर्क मिल रहा है और जो भी आपको PDFs प्रोवाइड की जा रही हैं, you have to do all the work in your class of copies. So coming on to the question number 21, it is saying that there is a polynomial x power 4 plus ax cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus b. It is having two factors. The first one is x plus 2 and the other one is x plus 3. Therefore, if this x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of this polynomial, we have to find out the value of this a and b. Find a, b. So the procedure we will be following is, considering this as 0 or factor of this polynomial, put the value of x from here. If x plus 2 is 0, therefore x will be minus 2. Now put this value into this polynomial. If the polynomial is x power 4 plus ax cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus b. We will put x equals to minus 2 here. This will become minus 2 power 4 plus a into minus 2 power 3 minus 7 into minus 2 square minus 8 into minus 2 plus b, that is equals to 0. Now see, minus 2 power 4 is positive 16. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 8 into a, minus 8a. Minus 2 power 2 is plus 4. Plus 4 into minus 7. 7 4 the 28 with minus sign. Minus into minus plus 8 to the 16. Plus b equals to 0. We will be having 16 plus 16, 32. And 28 with negative sign. Minus this 8a and plus this one b equals to 0. 32 minus 28 is 4. I am taking this 8a onto the other side. This will become positive 8a, and b onto the other side. This will become negative b. So we have got the first equation here. Now second time, with this x plus 3 we will apply the same methodology. If x plus 3 is 0, therefore our x equals to minus 3. Now put the value of this x into this polynomial, which is saying that x power 4 plus ax cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus b. So if we put the value of x equals to minus 3, it will become minus 3 power 4 plus a into minus 3 cube minus 7 into minus 3 square minus 8 into minus 3 plus b, and that is equals to 0, because x equals to minus 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Minus 3 power 4 is 81. Minus 3 cube is minus 27 into plus a, to minus 27a. Minus 3 square is 9. 9 into minus 7, minus 63. Minus into minus plus 8 3s are 24. Plus b equals to 0. 81 minus 63 is 18. And plus 24. Now I am taking this minus 27 and to the other side. This will become plus 27a, and this b also has been taken onto the other side. This will become minus b. So we can say that 27a minus b will be equals to 18 plus 24 will become 42. This is the equation number 2 we have obtained by putting x equals to minus 3 over here. Now we are going to solve these two equations in the form of a and b, and we will be getting our value for a as well as b. So the first equation is equation 1 and equation 2. We are going to do that. 8a plus b, minus b equals to 4, and 27a minus b equals to 42. सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए जाएंगे तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. ये पॉजिटिव था नेगेटिव हो गया, ये नेगेटिव था पॉजिटिव हो गया, और ये पॉजिटिव था नेगेटिव हो गया. Just plus b and minus b will be cancelled. 8 minus 27 is minus 19a equals to 4 minus 42 is minus 38. So a will be equals to minus 38 upon minus 19. Minus से minus cancel, 19 बनता है, 19 2s are. Our a is equal to 2. So we have obtained the value of our a. Now put this value of a in any of the equation, either in 1 or 2. I am going to put over here. This is 8a minus b equals to 4. 8 into a का value 2 minus b equals to 4. 8 to the 16 minus b equals to 4. b को उधर ले जाइए और 4 को इधर ले आइए। 16 इधर पे था, 4 इधर आएगा तो -4 हो जाएगा, b उधर जाएगा, दिस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव b, देयरफॉर b इज इक्वल टू 12. So this is the solution giving our value a equals to 2 as well as b equals to 12. So students, I hope these two questions will help you a lot for getting out the solution. Now we are going on to the question number 22 also. Come on to question number 22, which is saying that there is a polynomial px square, this is px square plus 5x plus r, this is the polynomial, and this polynomial is having factors x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2. These two are the factors and we have to prove that. To prove, क्या prove करना है? p equals to r. p और r दोनों ही बराबर है. p equals to r we have to prove. Now first consider this, x minus 2 is a 0, therefore x equals to 2. Now put the value of x in this polynomial. The polynomial is px square plus 5x plus r. x की जगह पे I am going to put 2 over here. p into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r equals to 0. This will become 0 because I have kept the value of p over here. 2 to the 4 p plus 5 to the 10 plus r will become 0, या फिर 4p plus r equals to -10. This is the equation number 1. Again we are going to do same thing with x equals to 1 by 2. Let x minus half will become 0, therefore x equals to 1 by 2. So the polynomial is px square plus 5x plus r. Put x equals to 1 by 2 over here. p into 1 by 2 square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r, that is equals to 0. This will become 1 1 जा 1 into p. 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे p by 4. This will become 5 by 2 plus r equals to 0. See here we are having 2 and 4 as denominator. We are going to multiply 4 onto the both sides. This will become 4 into p by 4 plus 5 by 2 into 4 plus 4r equals to 0. This 4 will be cancelled. 2 1 जा 2 2 जा. This will become p plus 5 2 जा 10 plus 4r equals to 0. That means p plus 4r equals to -10. दोनों इक्वेशन हमारे पास सेम आ रही है. From equation 1 and 2, 4p plus r equals to -10 और p plus 4r that is also equal to -10. अगर दोनों इक्वेशन 1 और 2 का LHS बराबर है, सॉरी RHS बराबर है, तो उनका LHS भी बराबर होगा. दैट मीन्स 4p plus r वो इक्वल होगा p plus 4r के. फिर से समझिए इस चीज को. ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 है. क्या है? 4p plus r, वैल्यू कितनी? इक्वल्स टू 10. यहाँ पे इक्वेशन नंबर 2 क्या है? p plus 4r, वैल्यू कितनी? -10. यहाँ भी -10, यहाँ भी -10. यानी दोनों इक्वेशन के RHS इक्वल है, देयरफॉर उनके LHS भी इक्वल होंगे. दैट मीन्स 4p plus r विल बी इक्वल्स टू पी प्लस 4r। p को एक तरफ कर लीजिए, r को एक तरफ कर लीजिए। 4p माइनस p, ये p इधर आएगा माइनस हो जाएगा, इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पे 4r पहले से है, ये r उधर जाएगा तो माइनस r। 4p में से 1p चले गए 3p, इक्वल्स टू 4r में से 1r चले गए 3r, 3 1 जा कैंसिल, p इक्वल्स टू r, hence proved. So I expect all of you to perform all these questions in your classwork copy, as well as you are getting your homework also and PDFs. सारा का सारा काम आपने अपने क्लासवर्क कॉपी पे करके रखना है। Any of the day we will call you for the copies correction. So by the time I am stopping over here, and just check your homework in the homework section. I hope you can go up to question number 26, 25 with the help of these solutions. So by the time, have a very nice time ahead. Stay home and stay safe with your family. Good day.